Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are going to learn about chemical material which are acid and base with me, Dinda Nur Aida Ratri. Before we start our lesson, I want to ask a question. What do you know about acid and base? I guarantee that you know what fruit is this, right? Yep, correct. This is an orange. Orange water is the one example of acid compound that we can find in real life. Acid have some characteristics such as the taste is sour, can cause corrosive, turn blue litmus paper red, and have a pH less than 7. Meanwhile, we can take detergent for the example of base. Base have some characteristics as well, such as the taste is bitter, caustic, turn red litmus paper blue, and have a pH more than 7. The theory of acid and base is divided into 3 theories. There are Arrhenius theory, the Bronsted-Lowry theory, and the Lewis theory. Firstly, we are going to discuss the theory according to Arrhenius. Arrhenius theory of acid and base. Acid, a species that release hydronium ions when dissolved in water. Example, first hydrochloric acid plus water from hydronium ion plus chloride ion or shortened to HCl from H plus Cl minus with acid valence 1 and residual acid anions chloride ions. An acid in water to produce 1 H plus is called a monoprotic acid, like in this HCl compound. Second, sulfuric acid plus water from hydronium ion plus sulfate ion shortened to H2SO4 from 2H plus SO4 2 minus with acid valence 2 and residual acid anion sulfate ions. An acid in water to produce 2H plus is called a diprotic acid, like in this sulfuric acid compound. To make it easy, use H plus for H3O plus and disarrange the water molecule. The number of H plus ions from the ionization of 1 mole of acid is called the valence of the acid, while the anion is called the residual anion of the acid. Next, base, a species that release hydroxide ions when dissolved in water. Example, first, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide from sodium ion plus hydroxide ion with base valence 1 and residual base cation sodium ions. And base in water to produce 1 OH main is called a monohydroxy base, like in the sodium hydroxide compound. And the second, barium hydroxide. Barium hydroxide from barium ion plus hydroxide ion with base valence 2 and residual base cation barium ion. And base in water to produce 2OH is called a hydroxy base, like in this barium hydroxide compound. The number of OH ion from the ionization of 1 mole of acid is called the valence of the base, while the cation is called the residual cation of the base. Weakness of acid and base Arrhenius theory. First, only applies to compound dissolved in water solvent only. Second, cannot explain the character of acids and base that don't drop the formation of H plus or OH- ions. Secondly, the theory according to the Bronsted theory. Acid-base concept based on the transfer of proton. Bronsted-Lowry theory of acid and base. Acid, a species that acts as a proton donor. An acid that has lost a proton is called the conjugate base. Base, a species that acts as a proton acceptor. A base that has accepted a proton called the conjugate acid. This is known as a conjugate acid-base pair. Acid pair with conjugate base and base pair with conjugate acid. For example, hydrochloric acid plus water from chloric ion plus hydronium ion. Hydrochloric acid pairs with chloric ion and water pairs with hydronium ion. That between hydrochloric acid and chloric ion, there is only one hydrogen difference. Hydrochloric acid donates proton to water, so hydrochloric acid is called an acid and water as a base. And hydrochloric acid will form chloride ions called the conjugate base. Then water, after receiving a proton from hydrochloric acid, it will form hydronium ion, which is called the conjugate acid. The conjugate acid-base pair is only one hydrogen apart. Amphiprotic species, a species that can access an acid and a base, can either donor protons or accept protons. Example, ammonia. Ammonia can access a proton acceptor with ammonia as a base plus H plus become ammonium as a conjugate acid, and also can access a proton donor with ammonia as a acid become H plus ammonium as a conjugate base. Last but not least, the theory according to the G.N. Lewis. Lewis theory of acid-base sharing and acceptance of a lone pair of electrons. Lewis theory of acid and base. Acid, a compound that access a electron pair acceptor. Base, a compound that access a electron pair donor. Example, NH3 plus BF3 form NH3BF3. We can describe the structural formula of NH3 by take a look N as the central atom and has one lone pair of electrons. For BH3, we can describe the structural formula by looking that B atom as the central atom does not have a lone pair of electrons. NH3 donates their lone pair to BH3 to form NH3BF3 by coordination covalent bond. Thus, NH3 has a role as a base because it donates the lone pair of electrons, and BF3 has a role as an acid because it accepts lone pair of electrons from NH3. The second example is the reaction between ammonia plus H plus form ammonium. We can describe the structural formula of NH3 or ammonia with an as the central atom, which has one lone pair of electrons. NH3 or ammonia donates the lone pair of electrons to H plus to form NH4 plus or ammonium by coordination covalent bond. So, NH3 or ammonia has a role as a base and H plus has an acid. Yay! We have arrived at the end of the material. That is the conclusion of the difference between acid and base theory. According to Arrhenius, acid, a compound that dissolves in water, produces H plus ions. Base, a compound that dissolves in water, produces OH- ions. According to Bronsted-Lowry, acid acts as a proton donor. Base acts as a proton acceptor. And according to Lewis, acid, a compound that acts as an electron pair acceptor. Base, a compound that acts as an electron pair donor. Thanks for watching. Hopefully today's lesson is something useful for you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.